Hi, my name is Carlo Sansonetti. Welcome to one of my rigging tutorials. I would like to take this opportunity to tell you a little bit about myself. I'm a senior character TD, and my work experience expands from visual effects, games, and animation. In this tutorial, I would like to share with you the techniques I use to rig a production-ready character. And we're going to make sure to cover everything that you need to know in order to create a rig that the animators are going to be happy with. A lot of times me saying how I like to please the animators and give them what they enjoy working with. These techniques that we're going to cover here are both, they work both for a rig for games and a rig for visual effects and feature animation. So one of my passions in life is to teach. I've always had this passion, no matter what the subject is. But now that my career is progressed quite a bit in rigging, I really enjoy teaching rigging and all the concepts. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this tutorial.